Hi everyone, welcome back to another vlog. Since we had Onam couple of days back, wishing all my Malayali friends around the world a very happy Onam. Hope you all had nice time with your families. So on this Onam occasion, we had a small gathering with our Malayali group here in UK, that is at West Yorkshire. So in my today's video, sharing with you all some beautiful moments spent with this lovely group and enjoying our Onam Sadhya. So stay tuned and watch this video till the end. You'll like it. Onam is a rich harvest festival celebrated by people of Kerala, that is in South India. And on this particular occasion, they prepare lots of varieties of delicacies which are made from the seasonal harvest, that is from the vegetables and fruits. And it's all being served on the banana leaf. It's indeed a beautiful treat to the eyes. They organize some sports events both for the kids and adults in the morning, and a lot of them participated and enjoyed thoroughly. We actually joined them in the afternoon for Satya because Jose was really busy that day. Now, here I would like to introduce Lacidol humidifier, which is quite essential inside the closed rooms. You'll find the LED display buttons with manual operations in front of it, and as you remove the lid on top, you can add water into the tank which has got 8-liter capacity. Just check the maximum and minimum levels behind it. Now this can run up to 12 hours continuously. A remote controller is also included with all the operational features. Now after adding water, when you turn it on, you can see the mist coming out. It's very good, especially inside the closed rooms. Now here, if you want to add any additional essential oils to this, here you have a spot where you need to press inside and pull the tray out, and just inside a cotton pad you can put some drops of essential oil and put it back. You're not supposed to pour any drops directly into the tray. The basic humidity percentage is 40, you can increase it up to 90%. You can also adjust the mist levels from low, medium to high levels. Overall, a very useful product. For further details, please check the description box. We were really excited to go and meet everybody out there because it's been a long time not seeing them and having any kind of gatherings like this because of these COVID restrictions. We all are from different backgrounds and we live in different parts of UK. But we all are Malayalis and we belong to the state Kerala in India. After joining this group, I came to know about a lot of Malayalis who moved to UK years back and settled down here. Most of them are nurses from NHS and their families. And every year, new staff keeps coming in and they join the group. It's indeed a great pleasure to meet all of these people and their families and spend some nice time together. By the time we reached the spot, few activities for kids were finished in the morning, and now it's time for the adults to enjoy their tug of war. We didn't know about the teams and the members who were participating, but we stood by and cheered them. Aryan had a couple of friends in the group, but since their parents were really busy, they couldn't come down. So he was really missing them out. Now it's time to enjoy our Onam Sadhya. That is the traditional Kerala meals which is prepared with a lot of delicacies and served on the banana leaf. So for this we all came to the auditorium, that's a hall which was just behind the park. And as you can see here, the arrangements are made as per our requirement. I really appreciate the efforts of all the people in the group who are involved in planning, executing, and also organizing this event. Without them and their efforts, I don't think this would have been a successful one. There are a lot of food items which are served in small portions to everyone, which include rice, sambar, avial, and also vegetable mix which is made with fried coconut, cabbage fry, ginger chutney, beetroot chutney, curd chutney, and rasam. These are some of the popular items, and few other items will change from place to place. And at the end, they normally serve the dessert, which is called payasam, made with jaggery, and pappadam, banana, and also some other sweets which are made with banana. So, lot of such items are being served to each individual. In between, there was also a birthday celebration of a little girl who was turning 9. The most interesting part is to meet and greet people and create memories. Now, as we are going to have our Onam Sadhya, stay tuned and enjoy the Onam Sadhya with us. So this was our Onam celebration from UK, West Yorkshire. I hope you liked watching my today's video. Do give me your suggestions and feedback in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Also, if you're watching my channel for the first time and if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe to my channel and feel free to hit the bell icon at the bottom so that you won't miss out on my future uploads. Stay safe, stay connected. See you in another vlog.